This recipe we're making a spare rib dry fry. It's like a same idea from the beef dry fry. I'm not using any curry leaf for this one, but you can add it. It gives extra flavor. So this is around 400 gram of spare rib with the bone, and half of the medium-sized onion chopped like this. And I'm going to marinate everything together and we boil it. So turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Then Kashmiri chili powder, degi mirch, 1 teaspoon. Then coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder, crushed, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Now we can mix it up with, you can add coconut oil or plain oil. I'm just adding some olive oil to it. I'm adding water just to cover the meat. You can add hot water because after this it's going to cook in the pressure cooker. Mix it. So now we're going to cook in the pressure cooker for at least 30 minutes on slow to medium heat. So the spare rib has been pressure cooker for 30 minutes. So now I have to reduce it completely dry in a kadai or a wok. So once it's reduced like this stage, I'm adding some sliced garlic, and 1 clove is enough. Then same amount of ginger julienne, 1/2 of Holland chili and 1 green chili split. Coconut oil, extra virgin, 1 tablespoon. Cook it for a minute or two till it gets very dry. Saute it slowly so it doesn't catch. So at this stage I'm adding teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and cardamom crushed together. Saute it till it gets dry more. The cardamom and coriander pepper is on equal ratio. If you take 1/2 teaspoon, both should be 1/2 teaspoon before you crush it. Now to finish it off, I'm adding some freshly chopped onions, some coriander leaf. Ideally, fried curry leaf is nice. So now we can present it and it's ready. It will be a nice addition to your bar cocktails, bar nibbles, or even for canapé style functions because it's spare rib, small pieces.